Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you a little sneak peek into Windows 10. I just installed it on this Acer Inspire, so let's do a straight from startup here. Okay, so hit the button. That's pretty quick so far. So let's see if that'll. So, as you can see, that was fairly fast boot up, and it works pretty good. You've got the search bar down here, and a bunch of different apps, and there's new notifications now, which is sort of kind of like a phone or something, you know. The start menu definitely changed a little bit. Let's see if you guys can get a better look at this. There, that might be better. Okay, so here we've got the calendar. There's a calendar app. There's the new Microsoft Edge, which is the new web browser that Microsoft came out with. It basically just replaces Windows Explorer. Here, I'll click on it. Let you get a quick look into it. They made it a lot like Firefox or Chrome or something like that. It's pretty nice. So you see, like, this is, I haven't done anything to this computer. This is exactly the way it'll be once you reset it for factory reset everything. So it gives you the bar here. Let's just say, I don't know, elephants in India. So as you can see, it uses Bing as its web browser, but I mean, that's not a big deal. Bing's pretty good. So you do have the options up here in the settings to go in and change things. So yeah, it loads pretty fast compared to Internet Explorer. It also gives you options. You can actually change these, change the width of this, make it nice and long. You can connect your Xbox account, listen to music. Let's see, this is the App Store. So say you had Windows 10 on a tablet, it's just like an App Store. So you'll find apps, music, games, videos, whatever. So it's pretty handy. I mean, I've got on my other laptop a couple, like the Hulu downloaded, and I think it's a little nicer than having to go on the internet, I think. Let's see. Let's get out of that. I'll come over here. So there's this new feature. It's actually Phone Companion, and what it is, you guys can see that very well, but it just basically says that you can connect your phone to it. So I have an Android, so we'll click that. And basically, Cortana is their new personal assistant that they have. It's part of this search bar down here, and it's voice activated. I'm not going to set it up because like I said, I haven't touched the computer very much. So you can connect Word and Skype and things like that right through your phone. So everything will sync all to one, or all to both of devices, I should say. So let's see. So yeah, you can, this is customizable. You can just drag stuff and put it wherever you want it to, and say I wanted to put that there, that'll change a little bit. Then you've got the File Explorer. This is just like the original start menu, and File Explorer will open up this. Instead of going through the start menu, it'll open up a new window, and it'll allow you to go through everything pretty much just like the Explorer. So yeah, so that brings me through the files. You go to all apps, and it actually takes and sorts them out by alphabetical order. So I found this one really neat. It's called 3D Builder, and it's actually a 3D printer app that you can use. So say you had a 3D printer, which I'm sure will be very affordable, and eventually everybody will have one. It'll be a household thing. But they just kind of went on and added that in. You can add alarms in here, and the calendar I actually played with the other day on my computer. You can hook up your Google calendars and any sort of calendar you might have right to this calendar, so everything will sync into one. You've also got, like, if you had Office and things like that, those are fairly nice at 2013. You do have to pay a subscription for those per year, but I'm not sure how much that is. It's fairly nice. I get it free through my school. So let's see, we've got new sports app. I've got the voice recorders new. The accessories, I was looking through this the other day, and they actually have this thing called a steps recorder. It's right here. And essentially what you can do is you can start a recording. So basically you tell someone, open up this, type in elephants, and it will come up, and you can tell them what to do, where to go easily, and you stop the recording whenever. And here, I'll let you look at this. It's pretty darn fancy. So it shows you all the steps you did, and essentially you can save this and send it to anybody that might need a hand with something. And I think that's an awesome idea, because it circles the outlines and everything you need. It tells you click on elephant here on Bing and Microsoft Edge. So it's pretty cool. So I'm not going to save that. And let's go back through the apps here. Okay, let's take a look at the settings real quick. So the settings are kind of the same, kind of different. They're a little more streamlined now, or at least just to begin with anyways. So let's look into this system. So it's a lot like a Mac now, actually, or a tablet. It basically is a tablet system made so desktops and laptops can also be used with it, something without a touchscreen. So display, you can actually change a bunch of different things. And let's see, like you can calibrate colors and things like that. There's actually a tablet mode, which makes your computer more touch friendly. So if I turn that on, it's going to make it so I can touch the screen. This isn't a touch screen, but it would make it so I have better control over this with a touch screen. And when you sign in, it'll remember exactly what you did, or you can set it up to do whatever. See, you've got multitasking. So snap is you drag things to the corner of the screen, and it'll snap things right to whatever side you want. I think that'll do it that. So you can do it on this side. A lot like the Linux Ubuntu sort of thing. So it'll show you can, I haven't found out about this, but you can have different desktops. I haven't looked into that yet. So it'll be interesting to find. It tells you the estimated battery charge and how much time it'll take to get to a full charge and such. So like I unplugged it and the screen got brighter, and it'll calculate this. So yeah, it'll save your battery settings and things like that. So you can change storage things, and it'll tell you what's what. Where you can save things. You can, if you had a thumb drive, you could plug it in and save it to here. This is really cool. There's a new app setting, or there's a new app. It's called Maps, which I was really excited about. So no longer do you have to go online to use a map. You can actually download these maps through the settings, and you don't have to have internet to access them if you download them. It's really, really handy, and I think that is an awesome idea, because that is going to limit the amount of data you use. Say if you had it on your tablet or phone or something, your Windows phone. So it's going to save big time. You said defaults and such. So cool stuff. So let's see. Get out of system. So you can have it. You can let it access your location. I'm not going to, but so let me go back in here. So there's other cool tools in here. You've got math input. So say you're going to write something due to math, you can open it up and you can type in what you need. Say the square root of 3 times 2, or 3x times, or 3 times 2 plus 4. And I think you can extend that. So it's pretty cool. You can insert that into places. I don't want that open. Yeah, like I said, notifications will tell you when things are still running, and it's a lot like a tablet now. Let's see if I can pull you in a little better. So you can turn on location services and an airplane mode, and control the brightness and what you're connected to. Let's see, back over here. Oops. Now there's the shape collector. I don't know what that one is. I haven't looked into many. I've looked into some, but I haven't looked into many. So with these things, you can. It still has Internet Explorer. Interesting. Well, if you want Internet Explorer, it is still available. I don't know who wants that, but okay. Anyways, so it's got all the basic tools that you may need. Say you wanted to control the computer. Windows Media Player is still there. They didn't get rid of it. They got rid of the other player. I think it was Windows Media Center. So Media Player still works. I wonder how. I haven't opened it. So it appears to work just like the old Windows Media Player. Yes, exactly the same. So so it's pretty straightforward. And like I said, you can download things and you can pull things in from this list, put a block, a tile here or something, and it's pretty neat. So I think that is all I have for now. I will be back in a while. Yeah, so this is, it's kind of the same, kind of different, but it's pretty neat. So let me know what you think. Thanks.